Two people have been arrested over the drone sightings which shut down London's Gatwick airport. Police are now trying to find out the motive behind the disruptions which caused days of travel chaos just before Christmas. The airport is now reopened and attention is quickly turning to preventing similar incidents in the future.
After days of disruption, flights resumed at Gatwick Airport outside London. Then another drone was spotted and once more planes were grounded. The travel nightmare that had affected thousands of people the day before began again.
They told us that the flight was cancelled and that we had to collect our luggage.
This time the all clear came after about an hour, but travellers have been traumatised by the delays.
It's horrible. It goes against your human rights, isn't it? I have stage 4 cancer, widespread to the bones, for God's sake.
It's horrendous, it's a nightmare.
The British government is under pressure to keep the passengers and cargo flying in one of the world's busiest travel hubs.
There is no single simple solution, off-the-shelf, deliverable very quickly. We've had to assemble a variety of different measures around that airport to make sure it's safe.
Some of the measures were as simple as posting police officers to look for drones or the people operating them. Other techniques are available. One Australian company specialises in a system which can take control of rogue drones. The drone guns have already been deployed at high-profile events, including the Commonwealth Games on the Gold Coast.
It's not just Gatwick, its airports all over the world have been amongst the slowest of the critical infrastructure to adapt to this threat and to take on board the new technology.
The arrest of suspects at Gatwick Airport will be a relief for travellers. But with the worldwide proliferation and growing sophistication of drones, it might not be long before a similar crisis emerges again. Jonathan Flynn, ABC News.